Can I ask you something?
Sure.
Have you ever known exactly what you wanted to say? But when it was time to speak English, your mind went completely blank.
Oh, yes. You know the answer in your head. You know the words. But somehow nothing comes out.
Exactly. Most people think they have a vocabulary problem.
But usually that's not the real problem.
The real problem is this. Your brain is translating every sentence before you speak.
And that's exhausting.
Today, we're going to fix that.
We'll show you how to train your brain to think in English.
Not perfect English.
Just real English.
The kind you can actually use. Welcome to Learn English with Jay and Anna. I'm Jay.
I'm Anna.
If you're tired of translating every sentence in your head, you're in the right place.
Today, we'll share simple habits that can make speaking easier.
No complicated tricks.
No giant vocabulary lists.
Just practical things you can start today.
And they only take a few minutes.
Sounds good already.
Let's start with a question. Jay, when people say they can't speak English, what do they usually mean?
Most of the time,
Most of the time.
they can understand more than they think.
Really?
Yes. They watch videos. They read messages. They know hundreds of words.
But speaking feels different.
Because speaking is fast.
You don't have 10 minutes to think.
Exactly. Imagine someone asks you a simple question.
Like what?
How are you today?
Very common question.
But many learners do this. First they think in their language. Then they build a sentence. Then they translate it.
And the conversation has already moved on.
Exactly.
So what's the solution?
Think smaller.
Smaller?
Much smaller. Most learners try to create perfect sentences.
And that's a trap.
A big trap. Real conversations are full of simple sentences.
Can you give an example?
Sure. I'm hungry.
Simple.
I'm tired.
Simple again.
That's interesting.
3 words.
Exactly.
We don't always need long sentences.
Most of the time we don't.
I think beginners forget that.
Because they compare themselves to fluent speakers.
That's true.
But fluent speakers started with simple sentences, too.
Nobody starts fluent.
Exactly.
Let's try something right now.
Good idea.
Look around the room you're in.
Go ahead. Really do it.
What do you see?
Maybe a chair.
Say this is my chair.
Maybe a phone.
Say this is my phone.
Maybe a window.
Say the window is open.
Don't translate.
Just observe and speak.
That's how you start building direct connections.
English idea.
English sentence.
No translation in the middle.
We call this the object method.
And it's one of the most powerful habits for beginners.
Because you do it every day anyway.
You're already looking at things.
You're just adding English to it.
One extra step.
That's it.
Here's another exercise.
One of my favorites.
Narrate your day.
Talk to yourself.
Not out loud if you're on a crowded bus,
Good advice.
but in your mind.
I'm making coffee.
I'm opening my laptop.
I'm answering emails.
I'm going for a walk.
Short thoughts.
Simple thoughts.
That's the secret.
And most people ignore it.
Because simple feels too easy.
But easy practice done every day is powerful.
Exactly.
Jay, were you always comfortable speaking English?
Not even close.
Really?
I was one of those people who could understand a lot. But when it was time to speak, everything stopped.
What happened?
I translated every sentence.
Every sentence?
Every single one. Someone would ask me, "What do you do on weekends?"
Easy question.
Not for me back then. My brain would start working overtime. First, I'd think in my language. Then I'd build the answer. Then I'd translate it.
That sounds exhausting.
It was. And by the time I was ready, the conversation had moved on.
Ouch.
One day, I decided to stop trying to sound smart.
Interesting.
Instead of long answers, I used simple English.
What kind of simple English?
I like movies. I play football. I'm learning English.
Very simple. And that's when something changed.
What changed?
I started speaking more. Not better. More.
And speaking more helped you improve.
Exactly.
What about you, Anna?
I had a different problem.
Let me guess. You wanted every sentence to be perfect.
How did you know?
Lucky guess.
I spent too much time looking for perfect words instead of speaking.
That's common too.
I'd know a simple word, but I'd search for a fancier word.
Meanwhile, the conversation was waiting.
Exactly. Eventually, I realized something.
What's that?
People care more about communication than perfection.
That's a great lesson.
Nobody stopped me and said that word wasn't advanced enough.
That would be a very strange conversation.
Very strange. People just wanted to understand me.
And simple English works.
Almost every time.
Let's talk about one more exercise.
This one is called the mirror habit.
Every morning when you brush your teeth or wash your face, say 3 sentences in English out loud.
Just 3. That's all.
Today I feel tired.
I have a busy day.
I'm looking forward to dinner.
3 sentences. 30 seconds.
And you just practiced speaking English today. Before your first cup of coffee.
That's the key. Make it small.
Small enough that you always do it.
Never skip it because it feels too easy.
Easy and consistent beats hard and occasional.
Every single time.
Think about it.
3 sentences a day is over 1,000 sentences a year.
1,000 sentences of practice.
That's not small at all.
That's massive.
Let's talk about something practical.
My favorite kind of conversation.
Imagine you wake up tomorrow morning.
Okay.
What's the first thing you can do?
Think in English.
Exactly.
Good morning.
I'm awake.
I'm tired.
I need coffee.
That's already English practice.
And it takes 10 seconds.
Here's another one.
Let's hear it.
Describe what people are doing.
Like a sports commentator.
Exactly.
That sounds fun.
You're walking in a park. That man is running. That child is playing. Those people are talking.
Simple observations.
No dictionary needed.
No grammar book needed.
Just your eyes and your brain.
And a little consistency.
Not difficult. Just easy to forget.
Good point.
5 minutes every day beats 1 hour once a month.
I completely agree.
The brain learns through repetition. Not through pressure.
And definitely not through panic.
My brain never learns anything useful during panic.
Mine either.
So let's make English feel normal.
That's the goal.
Not special.
Not scary.
Just another part of your day.
Your turn now.
Don't just listen.
Speak with us.
Simple English is enough.
No perfect answers needed.
Question 1.
What can you see right now?
I can see my laptop and a cup of tea on my desk.
Your turn. Say one simple sentence about what you can see.
Question 2.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling good. A little tired, but happy to be here.
Your turn. How are you feeling right now?
Question 3.
What did you eat today?
I had coffee and some toast this morning. Simple breakfast.
Now you. What did you eat today? Keep it simple.
Question 4.
What are you going to do later today?
I'm going to finish some work. Then I'm going to relax.
Your turn. Tell us your plan for later in English.
Last question.
Why are you learning English?
For travel. For work. For confidence. For yourself.
Take a moment and really think about your answer. Write it in the comments below.
That question is important.
Because your reason keeps you going.
On the hard days. On the days when nothing comes out.
Your reason brings you back. Let's recap what we talked about today.
First, stop trying to create perfect sentences.
Simple English works.
Second, the object method.
Look at things around you and say their name in English.
No translation.
Direct connection.
Third, narrate your day.
I'm making coffee.
I'm walking to work.
I'm having lunch.
Short thoughts in English every day.
Fourth, the mirror habit.
3 sentences every morning out loud.
30 seconds.
1,000 sentences a year.
And remember, Jay stopped trying to sound smart.
And started speaking more instead.
And Anna stopped searching for the perfect word.
And started using the simple word instead.
Both worked.
Both always work.
Before we finish, let's be honest for a moment.
A lot of people think they're bad at English.
But often that's not true.
They're just expecting too much from themselves.
They want to sound fluent immediately.
But fluency grows from thousands of small moments.
One sentence today.
Another sentence tomorrow.
Then another.
That's how confidence is built.
Not through perfection.
Through practice.
Your goal isn't perfect English.
Your goal is comfortable English.
English that helps you communicate.
English that helps you connect with people.
And every day you practice, even for 5 minutes.
You are one step closer.
Not to perfect English.
To your English.
The English that is yours.
Built from your habits, your practice, your reasons.
Thanks so much for spending time with us today.
We hope this conversation helped you feel a little more confident.
And remember, you don't need perfect English to start speaking.
You need to start speaking to build better English.
Tell us in the comments. Why are you learning English?
And what's one simple sentence you can say in English right now?
We'd love to read your answers.
If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe to Learn English with Jay and Anna.
Real conversations. Simple English every week.
Take care.
Keep practicing.
And we'll see you in the next conversation.